Yo, what's going on, my heroes, my villains, my fellow card collectors, and everybody else on YouTube? It's your bromie, the Gale, back at it again with another hero video. Up and away. Yo, what's going on, my Justice Leaguers? So, hero. They are doing big things. The digital drop was a success on Thursday. And, they've currently reached rank number 2 on Immutascan. I don't know if you know, but that's kind of huge. So in this video, I'm going to, go over a few things, and I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial how to read or use Immutascan so that we can continue to keep track of what hero and other projects you might be interested in are doing. So let's just breeze into it. Okay, so we're going to start off at on Twitter. This is Gavin Weeks' Twitter profile. He's the co-founder at Colex GG. And if you're interested in the Hero Project, you might want to throw him a follow. And so he tweets, "The last couple of days since the digital drop have been a whirlwind. This truly has been an experience and no sign of slowing. Want to say thanks to all the Hero community and the support for the product and collectibles. However, you ain't seen anything yet. Lots to come." So right now you see 1.2 million trading value on Immutable X. We'll get to that in a minute. But furthermore, he says, also worth noting, this is nothing compared to the volume VV have, so we are far from taking this for granted or hailing any kind of victory. We have a lot of work to do and are just happy to exist in a market with such a platform, aka VV, but our aim is to always build and improve. So he really didn't have to say that. I think he's aware that a lot of the VV fam are either disgruntled or don't understand or whatever. But yeah, it's not normal for another company to mention another company when they're trying to celebrate. So just keep that in mind that, the Hero team is aware of, the situation going on with VV. But just wanted to say that, they seem to be kind of humble, and they are aware that probably a lot of their fan base is VV users. But anyway, they didn't have to say that. And let's move on. Okay, so now let's head on over to Immutascan, where we will start off by taking a look at the top collections. You'll see book games in number 1 with a 7-day trading volume of $12,700,000 US dollars, and then you'll see Hero at number 2 with a 7-day trading value of $1.2 million dollars, and then Gods Unchained in number 3. So what we're interested here is in Hero, so let's click on Hero specifically so we can see what's going on. All right, so we'll start off in this top left corner. So the trade volume is the total trade volume since its inception. So it's traded 382 ETH around. And then to the right of that, you'll see the total tokens minted so far. So there's 6.7 million digital trading cards that have been minted so far on the immutable Ethereum blockchain via Hero. And so under that, you'll see unique owners. That's how many people have items. I guess I believe that's individual wallets on Immutable X. So to the left of that, there has been 14,600 total trades on Immutable so far. And then under that is the average price of each one of these cards. So 0.026 is the average price. And then the current floor is 0.013. So that's the cheapest or the most affordable card currently available. So if we look to the right of that, we'll see the trade volume chart, which might be a little bit easier to gauge data from. So the green is the average price in Ethereum. So it looks like they started trading on Immutable X on March 23rd, and you'll notice like something like a roller coaster, up and down, up until Thursday, March 31st, when they had their first digital drop. After March 31st, you see the average price can kind of almost skyrocketed. We're looking at the green lines, by the way, and it looks like it's continuing an upward trend. So the red lines is the floor price. So a similar trend. The floor started off low, and as soon as the digital drop on Thursday hit, it looks like it's on an upward trend. So the floors have been rising across the board on all cards, both digital and the hybrid digital cards. So and then last but not least, the volume in blue. We can see the daily volume each day. So if we click on it, we'll see exactly what, was the floor price in ETH on that day, and then we'll see how many trades were made. So let's see what happened on Thursday. All right, so 124 ETH was traded on the digital drop day, and that equates to $400,000 worth of ETH, and there were 73 trades. So yesterday, Saturday, was a huge day. I think there was a lot of action going on. So 177 ETH was traded. That equates to $618,000. Yeah, and there were 3,557 trades. So today, Sunday the 3rd, we see the volume is increasing. I doubt it'll top Saturday, but you never know. The day has just begun, so that's how you track the trade volume. So if we look down here, if we switch to activity, we can see what's been purchased on Immutable. This isn't the app. This is only what's been traded on Immutable X. So we can see an Oracle. Oops, let me go back. Okay, so the last trade on Immutable X was an Oracle that was traded for $50.7. So let's scroll down and see. Actually, if you scroll all the way to the right, you see transaction right here. It'll say 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago. So you can see how often things are being traded. So this is good. This is good to know. So you can see, like, if you want to list something, like, what are the odds of it being bought up? So yeah, you can see how often it seems like it's been, like, yeah, almost 50 plus trades in the last hour. So this is a very active community, a very active project. Like I said, it just launched basically, and you can see from who to who. So you can actually check the wallets from who to who, and then so let's find an item, an interesting item to click on real quick. Okay, right here. So Batgirl, A467 Batgirl sold for $611 US dollars. So let's click on that. All right, so what are we looking at here? Okay, so the card, it's going to give you the card information. It's going to tell you what mint batch. So A means is the first ever batch. The mint number 467. There's 800 total minted, so there's only 800 of these cards ever made in existence. And yeah, down here we will see I believe this is the history of the card. So it was minted 5 days ago, and it was traded 24 minutes ago for $611. And yeah, let's click on the 2. So when you click on the 2, you can see who bought it, and not only that, but you can see their entire collection because it's on the blockchain. So if you switch to items, I mean, it should show you how many items they have. I thought. Okay, scratch that. So yeah, but no, this will tell you, I think this activity right here tells you all the activity that this person has been doing. So you can kind of like check up on people on Immutable X and on Ethereum. So yeah, this person has been making a lot of purchases, preparing for what's to come, So I think that's all I have, my friends. I just wanted to show you a basic, okay, here we go. Wait a minute. A basic introductory video to Immutascan and kind of how to check, activity and stuff. So let's go back real quick. And yeah, I noticed Vivi right here. I guess Vivi is on Immutable X, but they're not like officially on it because there's a lot of Vivi transactions, but they don't show any pictures or prices. So That's interesting. That's something to look into. But yeah, it seems like Gods Unchained and HRO are, yeah, Gods Unchained have made a lot of transactions. Okay, anyway, that's all I got for you guys, so let's move on. And that's the video, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you learned something or enjoyed the content, feel free to drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more HRO content like this. So hopefully that gave you just like a little brief introduction to Immutascan. It's really quite simple. If you just play around on there and just read the labels and stuff, you'll pretty much understand what's going on. I think Immutascan and sites like Token Trove will be paramount to, especially if you're looking to flip and trade and stuff like that, and just want to get a general understanding of how certain projects are doing. So it's good to get familiar with that as we get deeper into Web3 and interoperability. It's just the sooner we get comfortable with using these tools, the better off we will be. So with that being said, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is financial advice because I am learning just like you guys. I am just your friendly neighborhood genius. Sharing his thoughts and opinions on this most excellent app known as HRO. So take everything that you hear from me with a grain of salt because things could change. And with that, if you would like to follow me on the HRO app, my username is right there on the screen, so feel free to add your bromie, and I will add you back if you leave your name in the comments. So with that being said, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out and huddle strong, and remember that not all heroes wear capes. Later.